In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create balance sheet in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a new blank workbook. This gives you a clean worksheet so you can build your balance sheet from scratch in a simple and organized way. A balance sheet is used to show assets, liabilities, and equity, so the goal here is to lay out those sections clearly. Click into cell A1 and type Assets. This will serve as the heading for the first section of the balance sheet. Under that, click cell A2 and type Cash. Then move to cell B2 and enter 1000. This represents the value of the cash asset. Using column A for labels and column B for amounts keeps the sheet easy to read. Next, go to cell A3 and type Total Assets. In cell B3, enter the formula equals SOM, open parentheses, B2, close parentheses. This formula totals the asset amount listed above. Even though there is only one asset in this example, using a formula is still a good habit because it makes the worksheet easier to expand later if you add more asset lines. Now move down to cell A5 and type Liabilities. This creates a separate section for what is owed. In cell A6, type Credit Card, and then enter 400 in cell B6. This amount represents the liability balance. Leaving a blank row between sections helps the balance sheet look cleaner and more professional. After that, go to cell A8 and type Equity. This section shows the owner's value in the business after liabilities are taken into account. In cell A9, type Retained Earnings. Then click cell B9 and enter the formula equals B3 minus B6. This calculates equity by subtracting liabilities from total assets. Finally, move to cell A11 and type Total Liabilities and Equity. In cell B11, enter the formula equals SEM open parenthesis B6, B9, close parenthesis. This adds together the liability and equity amounts. In a properly structured balance sheet, this total should match total assets, which helps confirm that your worksheet is set up correctly. Once you finish entering everything, you will have a basic balance sheet in Excel with assets at the top, liabilities below, and equity underneath that. It is simple, clear, and useful for understanding the relationship between what is owned and what is owed. That covers everything you need to know.